We cannot say na equal ang isang party list representative sa isang senador. Never. Ilan bang boto nakukuha ng pinakamababang senador ngayon, Mr. President? 15 million votes, Mr. President? Ang Batanes, for instance, 6,000, 7,000 vote? You're a congressman? I don't have anything against Congress again, Mr. President. But can you really compare apples to oranges?
I was really surprised, okay? Yung tatay niya, si Brother Eddie Villanueva, is with us in the party list coalition. Kaya medyo nagulat lahat ng members ng party list na nag-usap-usap kami last week. Bakit daw nasabi ni Joel Villanueva yon? Eh, tatay niya nasa party list din. Paliwanag niya, it was just taken out of context, pero malinaw kasi, na-quote siya eh. May mga camera naman, so medyo hindi. Siguro dala lang siya ng emotion niya. Pero hopefully, i-retract naman sana yon kasi parang nakaka-insulto as being party list representatives. We were not just put in the office by anybody, by some government official. We were also voted. Siguro kung 12 lang din ang pipiliin na party list, I believe aabot din ang boto ng party list sa 16, 20 million. I think so. Problema lang kasi maraming party list, di ba? Ilang ng grupo ng party list dito, 30 mahigit. Sila 12 lang. Kung pagsamasamahin mo yon, siguro makukuha din namang 16 million ng isang party list. So, siguro kailangan lang mag-usap na baka wala lang communication si Senator Villanueva at yung tatay si Brother Eddie. I'm sure kailangan magkaliwanagan silang dalawa.